Daily routine in English. Repeat after me.
First morning routine.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I turn off my alarm.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I put on my makeup.
I put on my makeup.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
Work and study routine.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I start my shift.
I start my shift.
I check my emails.
I check my emails.
I attend meetings.
I attend meetings.
I focus on my tasks.
I focus on my tasks.
I take notes.
I take notes.
I take a short break.
I take a short break.
I have lunch.
I have lunch.
I work on my computer.
I work on my computer.
I finish my work.
I finish my work.
Daily activities.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.
I go grocery shopping.
I go grocery shopping.
I cook lunch.
I cook lunch.
I clean the house.
I clean the house.
I do the dishes.
I do the dishes.
I pick up the kids.
I pick up the kids.
I go to the gym.
I go to the gym.
I listen to a podcast.
I listen to a podcast.
I practice my English.
I practice my English.
I relax for a while.
I relax for a while.
Evening routine.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.
I get home.
I get home.
I make dinner.
I make dinner.
I eat with my family.
I eat with my family.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I scroll through social media.
I scroll through social media.
I prepare things for tomorrow.
I prepare things for tomorrow.
I set my alarm.
I set my alarm.
Night routine.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I go to bed to sleep.
I go to bed to sleep.
I fall asleep.
I fall asleep. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.